after listening the voicemail, if the notification bar still shows the voicemail icon here. So how to fix that? You long press the notification, and when you see the info icon, press that. It will go to the call service. And from here, you press storage, clear data. It will clear all the data, and the notification bar not show the icon again. This case, you won't delete. It won't delete all the information of the call history, anything. It won't delete it. So now it fixed the problem, and you can restart your phone to see if it is still there. Okay, thank you.